Welcome to EastGRIP, a field station situated in the middle of the Greenland Ice Sheet. During the summer period, more than 30 people are working here. The goal is to drill and analyze an ice core. The set of red and black flags that you see in front of me, waving in the wind, are located there to mark the entrance to the caves of EastGRIP. The ice core drilling takes place down there, around 10 meters below the surface. We are now walking down into a tunnel in the snow. Due to the weight of the snow above, the snow gets more and more compressed the further down we go. The snow here around us gradually transforms into ice when new snow is falling on top. The snow that I am stepping on right now actually fell on the surface around the time that I was born. We are now entering the drilling trench. Here the ice core drilling team are working hard to drill the cylinder-shaped ice cores from the deeper part of the ice sheet. If you look down the hole in front of the wooden fence, you can see a tiny circular-shaped lid. This lid covers a hole in the snow, which right now is about 2,000 meters deep. When the ice drilling is finished, at the end of the project, the drillers will have extracted ice all the way from the surface to the bottom of the ice sheet. A total of more than 2,500 meters of ice. Now I am going into the cabin where the ice core loggers measure the dimensions of the ice core. When I walk to the end of the room, you can see a fresh ice core on the metal tray on the table. This ice is more than 45,000 years old. Analysis on this core will reveal details on the climate during an ice age. The shelves are all filled with ice cores. These are different sections of the 2.5 kilometer long ice core. This ice core is of incredible scientific value because it gives us access to study the inside of the Greenland Ice Sheet. This is useful because we can use this ice as a vertical timeline to study the climate history of the Earth. A large part of the ice cores is already being analyzed while we are in the field. Therefore, there is also a laboratory under the ice, the science trench. We work down here to make sure that the ice core is kept at the right temperature. We wear polar gear with big boots, warm jackets and gloves. But even that can't keep us from getting really cold hands sometimes. Each person working down here are assigned to a different station. Here they do measurements on the ice cores to learn about past temperature, greenhouse gases, volcanic eruptions, and to study the ice crystals of the ice cores. This camp is part of a large international research project. Scientists from all over the world work together in order to get access to climate information from the Greenland ice cores. Advances in science have made it possible to get even more information from ice cores. Me and my colleagues in the project Snowiso study the fresh snow from the surface. Our goal is to improve the understanding on how the fresh snow record climate information. This way we get a deeper insight into how the climatic signal is contained in the snow. Our goal is to improve the understanding on how the fresh snow record climate information. As ice cores contain layers of past snowfall, This new insight will benefit ice core studies.